For tonight, winter weather advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening until 7 a.m. tomorrow. That gives you an idea of when we're expecting the snow. I expect the steadier snow to start to move in between 7 and 9 p.m. So after the evening commute, there may be a few flurries around before that. Accumulating snow during the night, we end up with about 2 to 4 inches of dry, fluffy snow in most areas, maybe a little bit less right along the coastline in South County and into coastal Connecticut. Our forecast for the day ahead, just increasing clouds ahead of that snow. Temperatures will be running well below normal in the upper 20s, but with less wind. Here's that snow coming in during the evening and nighttime hours. This is 10 o'clock at night. It does taper off very early Thursday morning, so a slow start to the morning commute, but some pretty quick improvements, as this should be fairly easy to clean up. Our temperatures climbing to the mid-30s Thursday, mostly cloudy on Friday, highs in the upper 30s.